Hello students, in this video I will discuss how to draw the isometric view of the pentagon. When I say pentagon, it is a regular pentagon. Say the side is 25 mm, side of the pentagon is 25 mm. Regular means all the sides are equal and all the included angles are also equal. So I'll be taking 25 mm side. So now I'll be measuring here, you can check 72 mm, 72 degree angle, both sides of this. So inside angle is 108 and outside angle is 72. Yeah, that thing you have to calculate. You can draw this line. Okay. Similarly, again 108 degree, you can draw this another line. Now I will measure this. Say it is whatever this length is, you can mark it here, both sides, and then you can simply do it to get the this edge as well. So now I have drawn this. I will draw this. Simply join this. So this will be a regular pentagon. Okay, so this is a regular pentagon. Now how to draw this isometric view of this? Now you have to subscribe this in within a rectangle. Okay, so you have to draw subscribe this within a rectangle. So this is a regular pentagon, side is 25 mm. Now you can simply draw thin lines, horizontal as well as the vertical lines. Yes, throughout this edges, that will make it a outside rectangle. Okay, so the pentagon will be inscribed in a, now you can see this is the regular pentagon inscribed in a rectangle. So say this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the outside rectangle is A, B, C and D. Now I'll be drawing its isometric view. You can simply take a reference line, draw the horizontal reference line. Now you can take any point here. Okay, and you have to draw two 30-degree lines both sides as usual. So I measured this angle 30 degree on one side. You can draw this line. This is 30 degree on the other side as well. So this is 30 degree on the other side. Okay, now you can whatever distance you can take it from here. So this is A, you can mark it A, capital A from here. Now this is point A, is represented here on the A, and now you can simply take it AB from here and you can mark it here on this side, and DC AD will be on the other side. So AD you can measure it here, and this is AD, and it will be equal, AD will be equal to BC. Okay, and then CD will be equal to AB. CD will be equal to, okay, now you join this. Now you can join this here and on the other side as well. So this is similar to the isometric view of cube you have drawn. Square lamina we have drawn. Okay, so it will be similar with the square lamina. Only this is a rectangular lamina. Now you can check. Now how to get this? Yes. So always draw the thin lines first, then we'll make it thick. So A1 you can simply take it from here. No, you can, so A2 is here. You can measure it from here. So this will be A2. Similarly, it will be D4. D4 you take it here. on the other side. And then 3 you can take it from C here, or BC and you can similarly find out BC and B3 and 3C will be same. 3C will be same, so it will be middle point. Now you can also measure 1 5 A1 or A5 you can check. So this is A5, and on the other side, from the other side you can find out 1 as well. So this is 1. Now you have got it, the points. Here it is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now you have to join this 1 2 3 4 5. This is B, C and D. So you need to join 1. All this will be now continuous thick. You can check 1 with 2, 2 is with 3, 3 with 4, and 4 is with 5, okay, and 1 and 5 are already there. You have to make it thick only. So this is the isometric view of a pentagon. Okay, so I hope you got it. This is the isometric view of the pentagon. I will do the dimensioning now. Yes, now you can check. I have done the dimensioning. So, and this is the isometric view of the pentagonal lamina, and it is a regular pentagonal lamina. I hope you got it. Thank you very much. Of course, this is parallel to HP. This is the isometric view of the pentagonal lamina parallel to HP. Thank you.